It's okay to fail. There's not a big deal. It's not end of the life. Why we have failed is important. It's not the end process that I failed. If I don't know the reason, I am really failing myself in life. If you have not put your heart and soul with passion into it, you can never see the other side of the tunnel bright.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new podcast series of Career Compass Navigating the Future. दोस्तों, देखा जाए तो इस पूरी दुनिया में 195 मुल्क हैं और इन 195 मुल्क में से 90 कंट्रीज ऐसी हैं जिनमें दूसरा बड़ा रीजन यंगस्टर्स का सुसाइड करने का देखा गया है फेलियर इन एग्जाम्स, फेलियर टू फाइंड द राइट करियर, फेलियर टू फाइंड द राइट पाथ। मैं सभी यंगस्टर्स से ये कहना चाहूंगी दैट करियर इज अ जर्नी नॉट अ डेस्टिनेशन। इसी पॉजिटिव नोट के साथ आज की इस न्यू पॉडकास्ट सीरीज का आगाज करते हैं। दोस्तों, हमारी इस पॉडकास्ट सीरीज में एक कमाल का टॉपिक होगा हमेशा और साथ ही अमेजिंग सी गेस्ट होंगी, एक्सपर्ट होंगी और साथ ही स्टूडेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होंगी। तो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है डू डिस्कस एंड देन डिसाइड। इस टॉपिक पे बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ एजुकेशनल एक्सपर्ट दुर्गा मौजूद हैं। वेलकम दुर्गा।
हेलो।
हाय। और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं स्टूडेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इशाल दानिश खान। वेलकम आपको भी कहूंगी।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर।
ओके, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है डू डिस्कस एंड देन डिसाइड। तो इसी टॉपिक पर सबसे पहले बात करते हुए आपसे जानना चाहूंगी हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज टू चूज अ राइट पर्सन टू डिस्कस विद।
Right person is somebody that you will have to think about. Right person in the sense of whom are you comfortable. It does not have to be your parents. It can be anyone, but not your friends. Because they are of the same age, if I'm not wrong, maybe 1 year younger, 1 year older. But discussing with somebody who is an adult, especially your uncles, aunt or cousins who are in a professional life, I would say and recommend an adult is the best person to discuss with, especially whom you are comfortable with.
ओके शाल, मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि आप क्या बनना चाहती हैं?
सिंस 6th ग्रेड एक ही आई थिंक करियर ऑप्शन था दैट आई फेल्ट वाज लाइक माय कॉलिंग और वो था एक साइकाइट्रिस्ट। तो दैट इज माय गो टू गोल फॉर नाउ टू गिव नीट एंड होपफुली गेट इनटू अ रियली गुड मेडिकल कॉलेज।
अच्छा, हम जब पेरेंट्स की बात करते हैं तो हम ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि कैसे पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो बच्चों को रियलिस्टिक अचीवेबल गोल सेट करने में हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं जो अलाइन करे उनकी पर्सनल एस्पिरेशंस के साथ भी।
Now, what happens is most of the time we parents try to live our dreams through our children. Okay, knowingly or unknowingly, ये डैमेज तो कर लेते हैं अपने आप से। पहली बात तो वो है। फिर बच्चों के पास जाते हैं हम लोग, यही इसी बात से शुरू करते हैं कि when we were small we didn't do this. अरे वो जमाना गया, ये नया जमाना है and you and I don't know what is happening in their generation altogether. तो ये स्टिग्मास थोड़ा सा साइड करके ना जो डिस्कशन कर सकते हो वो ओपन हो, जैसे मैंने कहा था। एंड फोकस इस बात पे होनी चाहिए कि मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया है, तुम्हें भी इंजीनियरिंग करना है। मैंने इंडिया में पढ़ा है कि तुम्हें भी इंडियन स्कूल में पढ़ना है या इंडिया में ही पढ़ना है। ओपन अप, सी अदर ऑप्शंस। ऐसा नहीं कि अगर बच्चा कहता है कि मुझे यहीं पर पढ़ना है, so what, explore a little bit more instead of straight away saying no. Give a pause, saying that okay, what else can we discuss? So I think focus comes with the picture of you being open with me. Okay, कि आप इतनी कोशिश कर रहे हो as a parent that you are trying to show me so many options. Okay, if not the whole world of options, but at least अगर ये नहीं है तो वो है, तो probably that will give me an opportunity. I remember telling you once, the parents tell the child saying that you finish your engineering then start to live. We'll think about life after that. No, that is not a solution. That is not the point of focus. The point of focus is you as a parent need to understand where is my interest. मेरा बेटा मेडिसिन खत्म किया है, अब कहता है कि मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना है, तो व्हाट डू आई हैव एज एन ऑप्शन? गो एक्सप्लोर व्हाटएवर यू वांट, इट्स योर लाइफ।
इशाल भी कुछ पूछना चाह रही है हमारी मैम से, तो इशाल प्लीज गो अहेड.
I took biology and psychology as my subjects in 11th grade. So with that, aside from MBBS, aside from medicine, कोई और ऐसे options हैं जो मैं या फिर my peers can explore?
Okay. Now, when you're associating psychology with medicine, you will have to become a psychiatrist only to be in the field of psychology. But leaving aside psychiatrist as a profession, you have many other choices.
That's true.
Like, say, for example, becoming a psychologist, there's a world out there. A child psychologist, clinical psychologist, criminal psychologist, name it. You have hundreds of them. Okay. You can also become a professional teaching psychology at university. You can also become a student counselor in a school where there is a dire need of somebody staying in the school, supporting those special education needs children, or somebody just to counsel, saying that, ma'am, I'm feeling depressed. Is there anything that you can offer me? So these are all the options that you have. Psychiatrist is just one part of it. Psychology is another part of it. There's a world around. With psychology, you can also become a lawyer. With the psychology as your subject, you can become a sociologist. So there are very many. Medicine with psychiatry is not just the end of the world.
ओके दुर्गा, जैसे करियर ऑप्शंस की बात हो रही है, मेरे जहन में कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो कई बार देखा गया है कि नॉन ट्रेडिशनल या अनकन्वेंशनल जो करियर पाथ है उन्हें परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके पोटेंशियल रिस्क या बेनिफिट्स क्या हो सकते हैं?
पोटेंशियल रिस्क और बेनिफिट्स हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है. It all depends upon the word consistency, the word call, right? You're calling. When it is calling, you will definitely put your best. But if I've asked you to do engineering, would you give your best? Because there's no call there, right? So every profession has potential. Every profession has the downside as well. Not every RJ is famous. Not every student becomes a good psychologist. There are very many options. But one thing that I have to say is, if you have not put your heart and soul with passion into it, you can never see the other side of the tunnel bright.
डिग्री की बात हो गई, बच्चों को डिग्री मिल भी जाती है, ले भी लेते हैं, पेरेंट्स पूरी कोशिश करके उन्हें दिलवा भी देते हैं. अब मसला आता है रियल लाइफ में चैलेंजेस को फेस करने का. उसकी तैयारी कब से कर लेनी चाहिए?
अभी से कर लो.
अभी से कर लें.
हाँ जी.
और कैसे तैयारी हो सकती है? उसके लिए कौन कौन से हेल्दी डिस्कशंस जो हैं होने चाहिए?
अच्छा, अगर आपकी बेटी छोटी है, समझो कि 5 साल की है, वो कहती है कि मुझे पर्पल ड्रेस पहनना है, आज पिंक ड्रेस नहीं पहनना है, तो आपके दिमाग में था कि आज पिंक ड्रेस ही पहनना है
क्योंकि मैंने
पहना, ठीक है? तो वो कहती है कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं पहनना है. आप डांट के, गुस्सा करके, जो भी है, पिंक ड्रेस पहना के ले जा. Is her soul there? No. She becomes a mathematician and the call is not there for her. Would she be happy?
No.
So there's no age for it. You need to let the other individual, that's one life for them as well. Why are we rubbing it off? Let them, if they're making mistakes. कल एग्जाम है, आज मैं सोती रहूंगी, that is not done. So where you have to say, as a parent, as an adult, as another individual, you have to say, but don't poke your nose into everything and anything. मैंने पिंक पहना है, आपने पिंक पहना है, no, I have to wear pink. No, that's not the attitude. So there's no age as it is. It is today that you have to start. All the listeners who are listening, or whoever is watching this, it's today. It's not tomorrow. Start to think today. Start to make those changes with your thought process today, this minute.
अच्छा, बहुत सारे आज का जैसा ज़माना है, वक्त आ चुका है, बहुत सारे करियर ऑप्शंस जो हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. आपको क्या लगता है आने वाले टाइम में कौन कौन से करियर ऑप्शंस जो हैं वो बेस्ट रहेंगे?
Who knows? AI has come into existence, right? ChatGPT is widely used by students. तो एक ज़माना था हम लोग लिखते थे एसेस, एंड टीचर्स कमेंट करते थे कि दिस वोकैबुलरी यू विल हैव टू चेंज, ये सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ठीक नहीं है. अब बच्चे कितना लिखना चाहते हैं, AI हैज टेकन ओवर, राइट. तो जो करियर्स थे वो करियर्स थोड़े से ऑब्सोलेट हो गए हैं. थोड़े करियर्स अब फॉर्मेशन जो यू नो टेकिंग द इनिशियल स्टेप्स ना, सो देयर इज नथिंग एज 10 years के बाद में ये प्रोफेशन बेटर होगा. बट वन थिंग दैट आई हैव टू से, टेक्निकली यू विल हैव टू एजुकेट योरसेल्फ. इफ यू आर not educating yourself on the technology built profession, every profession is now building on technology.
That's true.
You become obsolete.
Right.
So careers change, they come in and go, but you will have to be that savvy, tech savvy. I'll give you one example. All those people who did software engineering, they're all in the stream, but how many of them have lost the jobs? Because they have not upgraded themselves with the technology. Old school of thought is only good with talking. हमारे ज़माने में हम तो ऐसे नहीं करते थे, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है अब, है ना? फर्क पड़ा ना? तो keep yourself updated with it. But you can't predict what is going to come, what is not going to be there. But yes, be conscious. There could be certain professions which can become obsolete.
राइट. अच्छा दुर्गा, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी हैं जो बहुत ब्रिलियंट हैं, उनके लिए तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. जो लोअर, मैं कह सकती हूँ बिलो एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके लिए कौन कौन से जो हैं आपके हिसाब से ऑप्शंस अच्छे होंगे?
See, that's again, I come from a background or a training where I don't have this clause of educationally sound or academically sound and not so, because I had some of those students who were not academically strong, but their social skills were just blew me out. They would go out to get the event management companies into the school to organize big fest.
Oh.
Right? And their academics are just about C's and D's. You know, when I'm saying just C's and D's, is demeanor for those children. Just because you get an A, you're not something out of the world. The skills that I have as a communicator is much stronger probably than that student who has got A. So I feel realizing your potential, just because the herd is becoming the engineering group, you don't have to be a part of it. Just because you didn't get the grades as expected by the school or parents, that's okay. But find your call, go talk to people, talk to different kinds of people. It does not have to be your age group. You can talk with the little ones, you can talk with the much elder ones as well. So go explore as much as you can. Age is not a definition to have a conversation, to have that discussion. It's not something which drives you. So go explore. So who says A's are good?
Ishal, what is the best takeaway of today's discussion?
I think for me it was open discussion first of all. You know, like teenagers right now, we're so conscious of, oh, what will he think of me? What will she think of me? Oh, that person looked at me a certain way. If I say something, they're gonna think stuff about me. And we're very uncomfortable about that. But हमें I think realize करना चाहिए कि okay, you know, you have to discuss, because there will come a time that we might regret कि हाँ मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए था. So make learned choices, think, and it's okay, you know, it's okay to make mistakes, but learn from them, you know, as she said, make mistakes but not the same one twice.
Absolutely.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, बहुत शुक्रिया दुर्गा, and thank you Ishal.
Thank you for having us. It's a pleasure
Yes.
to be here at any given point of time. And yeah, thank you.
Well, with this, friends, it is proved कि healthy discussion family के साथ, friends के साथ करते रहना चाहिए और फिर decide करना चाहिए, and then the world is all yours. Well, with this, it's time to say Khuda Hafiz. See you in next podcast series.